Welcome back to Autopedia, your ultimate destination for the world's most luxurious and high-performance cars. Today, we're diving deep into the Rolls-Royce Spectre, an all-electric masterpiece that redefines opulence and automotive excellence. Let's start with the exterior design. The Rolls-Royce Spectre embodies the spirit of classic Rolls-Royce craftsmanship while embracing a futuristic, electric-driven world. From every angle, the Spectre exudes sheer elegance, power, and innovation. The front end of the Spectre is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, featuring the iconic Pantheon grille, but with a modern twist. Unlike traditional models, this grille is softly illuminated, creating a dramatic and futuristic presence at night. Flanked by ultra-slim LED daytime running lights, the front fascia delivers an imposing yet sophisticated look. Below, the larger lower grille enhances aerodynamics while maintaining the brand's signature presence. Moving to the side profile, the Spectre carries an elongated and fluid silhouette. Its fastback coupe design is inspired by classic Rolls-Royce models, but with a more aerodynamic approach. The long sweeping roofline blends seamlessly into the tail, ensuring a seamless transition from front to rear. Adding to its grandeur are the coach doors, which are the largest ever fitted to a Rolls-Royce, giving an unmistakable presence whenever opened. The wheels on the Rolls-Royce Spectre are nothing short of majestic. The 23-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels are the largest Rolls-Royce has ever designed for a coupe. Not only do they enhance the car's road presence, but they also contribute to its efficiency. The floating center caps ensure that the iconic Rolls-Royce logo remains upright at all times. Now, let's talk about the rear design. The Spectre breaks away from traditional Rolls-Royce tail designs with a more futuristic approach. The sleek, vertical LED taillights add a modern touch while maintaining the signature elegance. Unlike previous models, there's a lack of excessive chrome, emphasizing the clean and contemporary aesthetic. The rear bumper is sculpted to perfection, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining a bold stance. Performance-wise, the Spectre is not just about luxury, but also about dynamic presence. The body structure is 30% stiffer than any previous Rolls-Royce model, ensuring superior stability. The active aero technology and smooth surfaces allow for an incredibly low drag coefficient, making it the most aerodynamic Rolls-Royce ever. Historically, Rolls-Royce has been known for ultra-luxury sedans and coupes, but the Spectre marks a significant shift. This is the brand's first fully electric ultra-luxury coupe, paving the way